If you and your friends like to play board games like me and my friends, then we might have one for you here. It's called Pug-opoly. Let's take a look at it. It's a board game. We'll put that over to the side here. And we've got the instructions to start off with. It's a board game, so we've got a board. We'll take a look at that. Inside the game, we've got all kinds of money. We've got some tokens. We've got some good dog and bad dog cards. And we've got some other cards here. We're not going to get into the whole rules here, but we'll take a quick look around the game board. So if we open it up, it's all well made, very good quality. And you can see that instead of having your standard opolis, we've got Go to Kennel, we've got the Dog Park, we've got Get Out of Kennel for a Walk, and we've got things like Loving, Playful, Sturdy, and Strong-Willed on the board. Just talking about Strong-Willed. Somebody's about to not be interested in playing anymore until we start playing. So we've got some game pieces here that are metal, which are kind of cool, including a dog bowl and a flea and a cat and a policeman. And then it's a lot of fun. It takes dice. It takes, just like a regular Monopoly game, it takes some time, and it is a whole lot of fun, even though he's acting like he's not having fun right now. Look at his tail. He's having fun. So Pug-opoly. You and your friends like to play board games, and you like pugs, this might be the best game for you. Hope this helps.